Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Codility integration and fix LinkedIn assessment links, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Codility integration from your LinkedIn account, start by logging into your LinkedIn profile. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Me icon located at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on the Settings and Privacy option in the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Data Privacy section on the left sidebar. Here, find and select Permitted Services. Look for Codility in the list of services that are connected to your LinkedIn account. Once you've located Codility, click on it to view more details. You will see an option to remove or disconnect the integration. Click on the Remove button to uninstall Codility from your LinkedIn account. Confirm the removal when prompted to finalize the process. To fix LinkedIn assessment links that may not be working, first check your LinkedIn profile for any outdated links. Navigate to your profile and scroll down to the Featured section. Review all links associated with your assessments. If you find broken or incorrect links, click on the pencil icon to edit the section. Remove the outdated links and replace them with the correct ones. After updating the links, ensure you save your changes. Next, verify that your LinkedIn account settings reflect the latest integrations you're using. You may need to refresh your browser or clear your cache to see changes take effect. If issues persist, consider contacting LinkedIn support for additional assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully uninstall the Codility integration and resolve any issues with LinkedIn assessment links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.